Are you practical by nature? Can you work quickly and methodically? Do you have the ability to concentrate when doing repetitive tasks? Can you follow instructions carefully? If you've said yes to these questions, the occupation of textile, clothing and footwear factory worker might be the one for you. These factory workers carry out basic tasks in these industries. Textile, clothing and footwear factory workers usually work in a factory or warehouse environment. The actual tasks carried out by these factory workers depends on the industry in which they're employed. In most instances, their primary task is to support the various machine operators and product assemblers that work in these industries. These factory workers make sure supplies and materials are available so that the production line does not grind to a halt. This may involve unloading materials from delivery vehicles or fetching items from the storeroom and delivering them to the production area. Some of these factory workers assist with the finishing off of clothing and footwear items. For example, they may apply protective coatings and polishes to footwear or ensure that all loose threads are being cut from the seams of clothes. They monitor various automated production processes and carry out basic tests and quality checks on items that are finished. If there are quality issues, they report them to the shift supervisor. Those involved with packing ensure items of clothing or footwear are packed. The workers prepare cartons and crates for packaging purposes and make sure that the items are correctly wrapped before packing them into boxes or other packaging. Shift work is usually required for these workers and may include early mornings, nights and weekends. These workers can expect to spend a lot of time standing or sitting in the same position. The work environment can be noisy and work with automated machinery is potentially hazardous, requiring safety procedures to be followed to minimize the risk of injury. Some of the dyes and chemicals used in finishing procedures may release strong, unpleasant odors. Protective equipment such as goggles, face masks, gloves and ear protectors are worn. This is to prevent injuries and to protect the eyes and skin from dyes and glues. As this is an entry-level occupation, no qualifications or previous experience is usually required. Employers do expect employees to have basic literacy and numeracy skills. Employers provide the necessary training through workshops, short courses or skills programs, as well as on-the-job training. Health and safety training is also provided. As factory workers need to work as part of a team, they must be able to get along with others over a long time and work collaboratively. They should be reliable and possess the ability to pay considerable attention to detail. With further training, progression to one of the many machine operator positions is possible. Some factory workers may decide to move into a related area such as maintenance, quality control or production management. Further education and training will be necessary. Further promotions may involve moving to a supervisory position.